Hi everyone, welcome to Programming Foundation tutorial by Agus Morasono. Tonight we're gonna learn about loop. Loop is very important in programming. You will find it useful. In this case, I will demonstrate how we're gonna use loop. Let's start by for loop. Okay, we already set the canvas 500 by 500 and then straight to the point. So in for loop, you need to define or at least has your variable define or initiate your variable define and initiate your variable. Basically, if you already have your variable defined before for loop, you can just initiate it inside this parentheses. So at first you need to define and initiate your variable, and then set the limit. Set the limits means like until when you want your program keep running or keep repeated or keep loop. Okay, keep looping. Last one is basically you want to set the increment by what? Set the increment. This set the increment, in the end it will at some point surpass the requirement of your program keep looping. This is basically, I would say, a condition you want your program. So let's start. Let's start by doing it. Let's say integer, make it simple, then x equals 0. I want it keeps running until my program until basically it keeps running as long as x less than width, for example. And then how much the increment you want? I'll make it 50. Okay, so you got it, and you want let's say, as we learned in class before, I'd like to create ellipse. Okay, instead of 0, I'll set this as 25. So ellipse 25, and then should be x, and then y should be, I'll put it as 25 as well, and I like to put the diameter as 50. And now let's run the program. You see we have lots of circles here. Now I'll make it a little bit different. So instead I'll put color, for random. You learned about random before. Just for your reminder, this is how you use random. One way. One of many ways, I would say. Yep. So there you go. You got ellipse with different colors. Now there is one method you can do it, and let's say you want it differently. You could do it this way. See? And this is the first example. I hope you learn it. Remember, define and initiate your variable first, this one, and then condition you want your program keep looping. So basically, as long as x less than width, which is 500, keep running. So if you don't set the increment to make sure that your program at some point will surpass this condition, then your program will loop forever, which is not good. So basically you need to set the increment. So if I would say, I'll tell you, like when you print this, let's say print line x, this program will keep printing x until at some point x equal 500, because we set here less than it will keep printing until x equal 450, because the last time that this program kept running was when x equal 450. Let's check it out. I'm sorry, 475, because we have 25 here and then we keep adding x by 50. Great. So I hope you understand this one, and see you again next time.